Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. First of all, just open up the Temu application here. So first of all, just tap on this U option here, and then as you can see this support option in the top right corner, just simply tap on it. Now scroll down and simply tap on this contact us. Now the message you need to type is following. So first of all, you have to type remove checkout limits, and then they will give you two options. So you just need to select no, I still want to remove the order limit, and then this will going to give you option of remove the restriction. Again, you just need to follow the on screen instruction and click on remove the restrictions, and this will going to notify you that your order amount has been cancelled and you are all set to proceed with the payment. So click on the continue to check out, and if you have a large amount of orders you will be able to check out easily. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove Temu's minimum purchase limit. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.